Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sharan here. We are looking at Trade Diary 101. Now, I'm sure you have come across a lot of people talking about gap downs on Monday. S- I do agree. I won't deny it. Let's agree that there is a gap down. Then what do we do? Right? The biggest question is what do we do if there is a gap down? If you have taken a trade and if you are in a put side, great if you're going to make money. But if it is not, then how do you react? How do you take a trade? This is something that I'm going to discuss in the entire concept. Now, please don't think or say that I am looking at a fall down or a gap down. I don't know. Let's be honest, we don't know whether the markets will open gap up or gap down. Now, because I'll tell you this, because if you see here on this particular day, on 19th April, right, there was a huge downfall, right? And everybody expected the prices will further fall down. Eventually, it opened at the day's closing itself, somewhere there itself, and closed and went on top, right? So you never know how the markets will react. Now look at this particular candle, right? If somebody had seen this, they would have said, oh, this is a bearish market, there is a kind of shooting star, the prices are going to go downside and all. But the price didn't open there itself, right? So we never know how the markets will behave, right? Having said that, we will look at all possible scenarios and take a trade based on that, right? So let's straight away get into action. Now, first of all, if you see here, right, I am going to draw a few lines and I'm going to bring your attention to certain areas, right? One is this particular, two is this particular thing. Now, why did I mark this here? If you see on that particular day on 19th, when there was a all of a sudden downfall and everything happened, the price has been sustaining within itself, within this particular range of 19th April, right? So this is a candle, right? This is a candle. Now here you have buyers, here you have sellers sitting on the either side, right? So there is a lot of activity happening here. Now, how do we take a trade? What happens if suppose tomorrow the price breaks this level? Now, please remember, this is a very important level that I have marked here, right? I'm going to put it in a different color or something so that it becomes easy, right? Somewhere around this level is a very, very important level. Believe me. Why? Because this level has been testing couple of times. Here also, when the prices started wanted to go upside, this was the zone where the prices took off, right? So this is going to act as a very, very important level. Now, I'm going to go into a shorter time frame to see if I can get any plan action or if there is any trades that I can get along, right? First of all, let's mark with the simple thing that there is a kind of range that has been created on either side of the market, which is around 37,150 to 35,900 or 35,800. So there is a kind of range that is created. Now we will go into a shorter time frame, right? I'm going to look into 60 minutes and see if there is any kind of action. Now if you see here on Friday, right, this was on Friday, so you had a continuous downfall. The price opened here, it tried to sustain within this level of 36,270 and then finally gave up, right? So we are again at the zone where the prices have been taking reactions, right? Now, is there any kind of thing I can get from here? No, nothing as of now, except that I can mark a level which is here and one is here. All right, I'll tell you why I have marked that level, because as we go in a shorter time frame, we will have to mark certain zones, right? So I'm going to go into straight away 15 minutes and see here. Now if you see this particular thing around this level, this is where it is, right? Now this is going to act as this level 36,400 is going to act as a major important level. Now it might act as a resistance or support depending on which side the prices opens, but as of now this is likely to act as a resistance for us, right? Now how do we take a trade, right? First of all, if the prices, right, please take this note, if the prices opens, right, anywhere between 36,200 levels, right, if the prices opens within this particular range, we will not take any trade as of Monday, right? Matlab, till the prices changes its direction or gives us a confirmation of certain level, we will not take any trades, or even if we take trades, it will be very small quantities. I'm going to mark it in a different color so that it becomes easy. Some different color, purple should do. Yeah, I think this color should do. Now All right, let's go into right now. If suppose, right, if there is a gap down, because everybody is talking about gap down, let's take straight away with a gap down. There is, say, let's assume the prices open straight away at this level, right, probably around this level, right, which is around 35,700. So maybe about 1% downside, right? If the markets opens at 1% downside, the first kind of support we will get is around 35,500. Now 35,500 is also a number. 500 is a very important number, just like how you have 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. So 35,500 might act as an important level for us, right? Having said that, this will become an important zone for us to keep in mind. If the prices gaps down and touches this level of 35,500, we will wait and see how the prices react here. Only then we will take a trade, right? If the prices opens in this particular zone, say let's assume it opens here, right, in the zone itself here, right, this is trade number 2. If suppose the price opens 35,500 should act as a major support. Now anything below that we will not take trade, let's be honest, because it is a very huge fall down, right, more than 1%. So we would want to wait for certain point of time, take a look at how the prices moves, and then only get into the next part, right? So if the price opens here in this particular zone, right, we will wait, and only when it breaks 35,940 we will take a trade for this level of 35,700 levels. This is trade number 2. This will be a high probability trade for me tomorrow, because since the market, everybody is talking about negative, this is something that I'll keep in mind. Not necessary that I will take straight away take a trade, but this will be something in my thought process. Now believe me, if the price opens above anywhere here, please do not take a trade as long as the prices are closing above 36,600 with a good candle. Only after that we will look forward to buying till the resistance zone of 37,000 levels, right? So this is going to be trade number 3. Only if the prices sustains above 36,600. That's why I have marked this level. If you remember, in the initial time itself I told about this level. So only when if the prices crosses this and closes above this level, we will look forward to buying, else we will not do anything, right? I hope you have understood this simple price action. We are not putting any indicators, no volumes, nothing. I mean, very simple price, what you can see, what might happen, where we can take a trade, what is happening. On that basis itself, we are going to take a trade, right? Hopefully this video is helpful to everybody. Please do share, subscribe, and give your love. Thank you so much. We will meet back on Tuesday's analysis. All right. I will also uploading one more video. Please do have a look at it about the Nifty analysis. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day.